Hi there. In this video, we are going to look at how we can calculate the cost of electric energy per year, per day, or per month. So here we have an electric kettle, and usually on the electrical devices, you can find a label like this with lots of information. For example, this one over here tells us that the power watt is the unit of power. So tells us that the unit of the power of the kettle varies from 2500 watts to 3000 watts. The voltage is between 220 and 240 volts. So we know that this is something that you need to know. We know that the voltage in Netherlands is 230 volts. And I'm going to go for the highest power. So the power of the electric kettle is 3000 watts. So here is the tricky part. Considering that kilowatt hour is charged at 75 cents. So here is the point. Whenever we want to calculate the energy cost, energy has to be in kilowatt hour. So what does it mean? We know that energy is power times time. We can have energy in joules. So if we want to calculate energy in joules, that means that a power has to be in watt and time has to be in second. But if we want energy, I'm going to write it down here, in kilowatt hour, that means that power has to be in kilowatt and time has to be in hour, and we never ever use minutes. So here we have time. It says that calculate the annual cost of energy if the kettle runs for 30 minutes per day. So we have time is 30 minutes, but as I said, we don't want minutes, we want in this case hour, because we are going to calculate energy in kilowatt hour. So 30 minutes is 0.5 hours divided by 60, and 3000 watts divided by 1000 is 3 kilowatts. So we have the power in kilowatt, we have the energy time in hour, so we can calculate energy in kilowatt hour, which is 3 times 0.5, and that gives us 1.5 kilowatt hour. So this is per day, but here it says that calculate the annual cost of energy. Annual means that in 1 year. So we know that 1 year has 365 days. So if I want to calculate this one in 1 year, I need to multiply 1.5 by 365 days. You can also do this here. So when we have 0.5, then you can calculate the total time, which is multiplied by 365. Let's say that it says that, for example, you don't use it per day, you use it 3 times per week. So you need to multiply 0.5 by, for example, 3 times per week, and then we have 52 weeks, and that is the total time. and again multiply by power, then you will get energy in kilowatt hour. So 1.5 times 365 gives us 0.7, and the unit is kilowatt hour. So this is the amount of energy that we use in 1 year. Now we are going to calculate energy cost. It says that 1 kilowatt hour is 75 cents. So the cost is the amount of energy that we use multiply by energy cost, 75 cents. So if we multiply these two, then we get times 400, I'm going to round it off, 411, and that is in euros, 411 euros.